Hi viewers, welcome to the Grammar Channel. Today we are going to learn about the tips to handle error spotting exercise. Error editing is an important exercise which requires the utmost concentration and the best grammatical knowledge. There are different types of errors that need to be identified in the quickest possible time. First and foremost, the entire passage given in the question that has to be read at least 2 to 3 times to understand the flow of the context adopted. Read 2 or 3 times the same passage. Then, every line has to be reread to identify the place of error, exactly where the error occurs, the place. Then, the incorrect word has to be spotted upon comprehending the subject, and that has to be replaced with the right word. Correct word has to be identified. Finally, after completing the entire exercise, it should be read again fully to make sure everything is placed correctly. Now, draw 2 columns at the right end of the passage. First one being it's drawn for writing the incorrect word, and the next one for writing the correct word. 2 columns, first one for writing the incorrect word and the next one for writing the correct word. Now let's go into the kinds of errors that may occur in a passage. The following are the essential points that one needs to keep in mind. First one is articles related article related errors. Articles comprising the usages of a, an, and the, where the rules of definite and indefinite articles apply according to the vowel usage. Next, error related to noun. Now we have learned from the time maybe from second standard or third standard, we have been learning the kinds of noun, the gender, number, person, and irregular form of nouns and all that. So we need to look upon the error based on noun. Next, pronoun cases. Kinds of pronoun, different forms and its appropriate rules like some, who, what, definite pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, all that. So we need to read the sentence to look for the pronoun related errors. Then comes adjective. Kinds of adjective and its patterns. Various usage like positive, comparative, and superlative. Degrees of comparison, where adjective related to degrees of comparison is placed properly, like comparing with two things or comparing with more than two, all that. Next, adverb. Adverb kinds of errors and its appropriate usages, comprising certain forms like specific cases where we can see unusual forms of adverbs, like usually we write ending with ly, ly, slowly, carelessly, carefully, but not in all the cases. For example, fast, he walks fast, not fastly, and high, hard, these are all the words that should be handled very carefully. Next, tenses related errors. Grammatical rules of entire tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense, and its appropriate applications and all that should be carefully handled. Next comes preposition related error. Various usages of prepositions like in, on, under, over, above, behind, all that should be appropriately placed according to the flow of the sentence. Next comes conjunction. Conjunction, its various usages, basically neither, nor, either, or, not only but also, and then regular form of conjunctions and, or, so, but, because, although, yet, all that should be carefully handled. Next comes subject verb agreement. Subject verb concord. It is one of the most crucial parts to focus upon, and it demands the knowledge of correct grammatical coordination of the subject and the verb given in the passage. Next, very rarely do we come across punctuation related errors, but then we have to look upon the sentence where there may be some punctuation related errors occurring. So, viewers, practicing more such exercises, error editing exercises, would surely make students familiar with the concept.